Hi children, today you are going to learn 7th class 4th chapter, that is lines and angles, in that exercise number 2.4.2 and 4.3. In the 4.2 we are going to learn completely about complementary angles, and next in the 4.3 we will learn about supplementary angles. The complementary angles and supplementary angles. If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, they are known as the complementary angles. Suppose 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So here 30 degrees and 60 degrees are known as the complementary angles to each other. There are two complementary angles which are equal to each other. See, these two angles are not equal. 30 degrees is not equal to 60 degrees, but the sum of these two angles is a 90 degrees. So these two angles can make a complementary angles. Sum of these two angles also equal to 90 degrees. So these two can also make a complementary angles. But here these two are complementary angles to each other and they are equal. Here 30 degrees and 60 degrees, they are not equal, but they are two complementary angles. And all the complementary angles are only acute angles. Only acute angles can make a complementary angles. So about supplementary angles, if sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, they are known as a supplementary angles. Any sum of any two angles if equal to 180 degrees, they are known as a supplementary angles. Not more than 180, not less than 180. Exactly should be equal to 180 degrees. Then only they are called as a supplementary angles. There are two supplementary angles which are equal to each other, that are 90 degrees and 90 degrees. And in the supplementary angles, we can find out one obtuse angle and one acute angle. One obtuse angle and one acute angle. And two right angles also can form a supplementary angles. But two obtuse angles are two acute angles cannot form a supplementary angles. Two obtuse angles also. Suppose you take a obtuse angle. Suppose 91 degrees is a obtuse angle plus 91 degrees is a obtuse angle. This is 182 degrees you get. So it is not equal to 180. Two obtuse angles cannot make a supplementary angle, and two acute angles also cannot make a supplementary angle. Maximum the acute angle is 89 degrees. Plus one more acute angle you take, one more 89. This will be 178 degrees. This is less than 180 degrees. So it is also cannot form a supplementary angles. So supplementary angles is if sum of two angles give us 180 degrees, they are known as a supplementary angles. This is the introduction about our 4.2 and 4.3 exercises. So let us complete that 4.2 and 4.3 exercises in this video. And here first question is that first question, here it is 110 degrees and here 30 degrees. What we need to do is see which of the following pairs of angles are complementary. These two can make a complementary? No. See that complementary in the sense sum of two angles should be equal to 90 degrees. But 110 plus 30 will give us 140 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees. Yes, it is more than 90 degrees. So these two cannot form a complementary angles. This pair of angles cannot form a complementary angles. And the next one, these two angles can make a complementary angles? No. The pair of angles Here 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. It is also more than 90 degrees only. So here the pair of angles 90 degrees and 90 degrees cannot form a complementary angles. Cannot form a complementary angles. Then the third one, here it is the second question, and the third question is that here they are given it, right one. See here it is 80 degrees, here it is 10 degrees. Can these two figures form a complementary angles? Yes, 80 degrees plus 10 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Sum of these two angles equal to 90 degrees. So this 80 degrees and 10 degrees can form a complementary angles. Finished. So this is what we need to do it. The first bit is completed here. Then here the second bit is that two angles are complement to each other and are equal also. Find them. So here is given that question number 3, two angles are complementary to each other and equal also, we have to find what are the two that angles. Suppose the two angles will assume like a x and x. So suppose let us assume that the two complementary angles are x comma x degrees comma x degrees. So we know that sum of two complementary angles, that means sum of two angles equal to 90 degrees, they are known as the complementary angles. Here 1x plus 1x will give us 2x. Here 1x, here there is a one more x. So 1x plus 1x 2x equal to 90 degrees. This 2 is multiplied to x. If you transport it will become a division. So 90 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 2 45s are. Therefore x equal to 45 degrees. So the two angles are 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Therefore the two complementary angles are 45 degrees and 45 degrees. These two angles are equal to each other and the sum of this 45 and 45 will give us 90 degrees. So this is the answer for this question. Next, there is one more question in this exercise and this is the last question. Manasa says each angle in a pair of complementary angles always acute. Do you agree with this reason? Okay, give a reason. Okay, Manasa says that in each angle of any pair of complementary angle. Yes, actually, yes, because we have to agree with the Manasa. Because Manasa says here correct actually. She said correctly because each angle in any pair of complementary angles is always acute angles. Suppose for examples, these are the reason. For example, let us take 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Here 60 degrees comma 30 degrees are acute angles. Not only here, you can take one more example. suppose you take 20 degrees plus 70 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Here also 20 degrees comma 70 degrees are acute angles. So if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, the whatever we are adding, the two angles will be less than 90 degrees only. So always the less than 90 degrees angles are complementary angles. So Manasa said correct that in each angle in any pair of complementary angles are always acute angles. So we have completed here 4.2 exercise. Next we go for 4.3 exercise. In the 4.3 exercise, we are going to be learn about the supplementary angles. Here in the first bit, the first question is that here is a picture 110 degrees and 70 degrees. Yes, these two can form a supplementary angles. Here 110 plus 70 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. Yes, so this is a supplementary angles. This can form a given angles can form a supplementary angles. Next, second one. Here there is a 90 degrees and there is a one more 90 degrees here. These two can form a supplementary angles as 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So the given angles can form a supplementary angles. Third one, here there is a 50 degrees and there is a 140 degrees. Let us check this. The sum of these 50 degrees and 140 degrees will give us 190 degrees. This is more than 180 degrees. So the given angles cannot form a supplementary angles. These angles cannot form a supplementary angles. So this is the first bit. Now next, here second question. Second bit, find the supplementary angles of the given angles. First one, 105 degrees. The supplementary angle of 105 degrees. Supplementary angle of 105 degrees is equal to, how much we need to add for 105 degrees? Again more to get 180 degrees. That is here 75 degrees. 105 plus 75 will give us 180 degrees. The second one, that is a 95 degrees. The supplementary angle of 95 degrees is equal to, here more 85 degrees we need to add to get 180. 95 plus 85 is 180 degrees. Then the third one, 150 degrees. The supplementary angle of 150 degrees equal to, more 30 degrees is required to get 180 degrees. The fourth one, 20 degrees. Supplementary angle of 20 degrees is is equal to 160 degrees. So these are the pairs of supplementary angles which makes the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. In the same way, in exercise 4.2 we have complementary angles, same kind of questions. There we have to get 90 degrees. In the same way we have to write. The first question is 25 degrees. The complementary angles of angle of 25 degrees is equal to, what is the complementary angle of 25 degrees? It is 65 degrees. Yes. Now the second question here, 40 degrees. Second question is 40 degrees. The complementary angle of 40 degrees is equal to more 50 degrees is required to make 90 degrees in the exercise 4.2. Next, the third question here, 89 degrees. The complementary angle of 89 degrees is 1 degree. The last one is 55 degrees. The complementary angle of 55 degrees is 35 degrees. Finished. With this, we have completed 4.2 second bit and 4.3 second bit. These two I told you at a time to be understand you more clearly. And the third question in the 4.3 exercise, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. Yes, two acute angles. Yes, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles, because see that two acute angles, if you take a sum of any two acute angles here, because the reason or justification, the sum of any two acute angles is always less than 180 degrees. So it cannot form a, so they cannot form as supplementary angle. For example, the maximum acute angle we can take, that is 89 degrees, 0.9 degrees, 89.9 degrees, but I will take only 89 degrees here. 89 degrees and 89 degrees, that is 178 degrees. It is less than 180 degrees, so they cannot form a supplementary angle. Or 89.9 degrees plus 89.9 degrees, if you do it, what we get? See, 179.8 degrees, it is also less than 180 degrees. So two acute angles cannot form a supplementary angles. This is our justification or reason. Yes. Now the next question, the last question of this 4.3 exercise. Two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. So he said that two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. The two angles are equal and supplementary. Supplementary angles. So find them. We have to find them. Let us see. Let us assume that once. Let us assume that we don't know what are the two angles which make supplementary angles and equal. Let us assume that the two supplementary angles are x degrees comma x degrees. So we know that sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. What are the two angles here? X and X. Let us add it. X plus X equal to 180 degrees. Here 1x plus 1x, that will give us 2x equal to 180 degrees. This 2 is multiplied to x. If you transport to the RHS side, it become a division. That is 180 by 2. 2 ones are 2 90s are. That is x equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, the two angles are equal and supplementary angles are 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So this is the proof. So I hope you understood this exercise 4.2 and 4.3 based on complementary angles and supplementary angles. So keep practicing and keep learning. Bye.